World Hydrography Day, 21st June. World Hydrography Day 21 June was adopted by International Hydrographic Organization as an annual celebration to publicize the work of hydrographers and the importance of hydrography. Origin or history. The International Hydrographic Bureau was established in 1921 for the purpose of providing mechanism for consultation between governments on such matters as technical standards, safe navigation, and the protection of the marine environment. In 1970, the name was changed to International Hydrographic Organization (IHO). In 2005, the IHO adopted the concept of World Hydrography Day, which was welcomed by United Nations General Assembly in Resolution ARES 6030 Oceans and the Law of the Sea. The date chosen for World Hydrography Day is the anniversary of the founding of the International Hydrographic Organization. Significance. The aim of World Hydrography Day is to spread awareness about the work of hydrographers. It also seeks to educate and aware one about the branch of hydrography and its importance in our lives. Every year, a theme is chosen to cater this cause, and activities, events, and programs are organized accordingly. Theme 2020. The World Hydrography Day theme for 2020 is Hydrography Enabling Autonomous Technologies. It aims at discussing and creating awareness about the role of hydrography can play to support autonomous technologies, which includes aerial, surface, and underwater survey drones, together with the autonomous ships. Everyone is encouraged to participate by sending any materials they create in reference to the World Hydrography Day 2020 to the Secretariat, which will then be posted on the IHO online communication outlets.